Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to fade out the audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a really common effect that you will see in a lot of your videos. So it's important to know how to do it, and also I will teach you two different methods how you can do it. So we will start from the method number 1. The first thing you need to do is open your project and find the audio clip you want to fade out. Once you have found the clip, click on it to select it. Next, go to the effects panel you will find on the bottom left corner beside the timeline. If you didn't find it here, don't worry, just go to the window and make sure the effects option is checked. Now search for the crossfades folder and you will see that there are three different types of crossfade. Number 1, constant power, number 2, constant gain, and number 3, exponential fade. The constant power crossfade is the default and it's good all-purpose choice. Click on the constant power fade and drag it to the end of your audio clip. You will see a small blue line appear on the timeline which indicates where the fade will start and end. You can adjust the length of the fade by clicking on the blue line and dragging it to the left or right. The longer the line, the longer the fade will be. To preview the fade, click on the play button on the timeline. You can also use the space bar or you can use the slider bar to jump to the different parts of the fade. And that's it. You have learned how to do it with the first method. Now we will jump to the other method, which is our method number 2. First we will click the clip to select it. Now we will make our timeline bigger vertically to see the waves of our audio files and the volume as well. You can do it by just placing your mouse arrow here on this line and it will change your arrow to this shape. Now you have to left click on here and make your timeline bigger and smaller by dragging your timeline up and down. Once you have done this, now pick up the pen tool from the toolbar or you can press the P for the pen tool. Now we will make a point on the specific area of the audio where we want the fade out effect or fade in effect will start or end. Now we will make another point just next to the previous point, and now we will drag over this point downward using the pen tool and it will add a fade out or fade in effect to our audio. We will do the same for the fade in, and for that we will do it on the beginning of our audio file. Now we will see how our fade in or fade out audio looks like. And there you have it, folks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Adobe Premiere Pro tips, and hit the bell notification so you will never miss an update. Thanks for joining us today. If you have any question or if there's a specific tutorial you would like to see next, let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy editing.